ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. The Australian dollar's price action overnight continues on the bearish story as the price is plummeted towards that objective that I'm holding of 71.20 to 71.80. With the overnight low coming to a standstill around 72.14, is slowly showing a mild retracement, where the prices are currently trading at 72.33. On the day, I see the range of 71.80 to 72.55, and beyond 72.55 should find offers coming in around 73.15 to 35 if the market can retrace back all of the losses from the last 24 hours. What is interesting to see though is that technically we still can actually see a further fall, and if this trend is as strong as it suggests it is, clearly from the outside range days and also from the heavy candles that you can see coming here, is that we could see a fall towards this target of 71.20. Now the question is, below there, could the market fall further? Well, from the weekly bias, you can see this is rapidly picking up and losing momentum. It suggests that a break of 71.20 would expose further weakness down towards 69.60 and possibly lower towards 68.15.20. But let's not get too over bearish until we see this break of 71.20. The euro dollar overnight, like the Aussie, stages a very heavy decline, and right through the support I was looking for of 112.20. From this breach now exposes the next target, which I'm holding towards 110.50 to 110.60. On the day, however, we could see a mild retracement with the range on the day seen of 111.80 to 112.60. And as I mentioned, I do expect to see further weakness to 111.40 and lower to 110.50.60. Dollar yen price action overnight stages another rally and an impressive bull move, considering that it's now claimed the objective of 110.40.80 after printing a high around 110.25. Intraday is a little bit in the overbought region, so I do anticipate a pullback with the range set up of 109.55.65 to the resistance of 110.40.80. Do note, however, that if we do get a break towards that top side of 110.80, this will provide a further rally onto 111.60 to 75, the recent highs, and also where the market rejected previously and collapsed down to 105. So I would say this would be this break would be viewed as an extension to the upside and reassess from there, and probably not hold a long position until we get up to there and see how the technical outlook portrays. Sterling, considering how the US dollar story has performed over the last 24 hours, it ignores the dollar strength, and instead the pound rallies on quite aggressively. Now in extreme overbought conditions, I do expect to see the market retreat from the 146.30.45 resistance and look back towards 145.50. A break of 145.50 should actually see a further decline and see all these gains given back. Look down towards 144.65 to 143.70. In the event we see a break above that 146.45 level, then this will trigger a rally on to a possible negate this outside range day and see a highs around 146.90 to 147.60.70. But again, I would not be a holder of long positions there. Reason behind that is I do feel that the market can easily, from this recent peak here and the rejection here, do exactly the same and then see a further fall. And to wrap up on gold, well, the bears reacted quite aggressively overnight after coming in around that 1,280 level, selling the market down and then continuing on after seeing a break of 1,262, with the objective now still looking towards 1,246. On the day, I'm looking for a range of 1,000 1,264 to 1,271, but I do anticipate further weakness coming in, and if we do see a break towards that level of 1,251, then the objective has to hold at 1,246 to see a recovery back to the region of around 112.80. Failing to get a rejection from that level of 1246, then this would expose further weakness and look down towards 1238 and lower down towards 1228 to 30. But I would actually wait and see if we get that break to the downside. Otherwise, we will get a rejection and follow on for a recovery down up towards that 1280. So just to wrap up, I still see the Aussie weaker with a small retracement in the next 24 hours. Euro to continue to be weaker with a small retracement in the next 24 hours. Dollar yen could push higher, but I do expect to see a mild pullback first before the rally. Sterling still viewing overbought, and I do expect to see this trend to reverse. And gold possibly to look a little bit lower, but 1246 is a key level to the next move, either a rejection or a break. Thank you very much for listening. Hope you have a great day.